Okay, so we'll just quickly look at a few more things in here, and then I'll show you some different styles of pages. Okay, so when you're looking at this, you've got, as we said before, you've got your entire page, which has the background and the text. The site header is this bit here. So for example, if I just wanted to change the background of the site header, that would become yellow. And if I just wanted to change the size of the font in the title here on the site header, there would be that one there. So I wouldn't change the font size and other things, I would just change that. So again, just have an experiment there, and that is the best thing you can do, and remember to save when you've made your changes. Now in a Google site, there's lots of different types of pages you can have, and you can do those when you set them up. So when you create a new page, so if we go up here and we go to create a new page, don't know what I call this one. You've got different pages here you can choose from. Now the standard one is a web page. An announcements one is like a blog where you can do new posts. A file cabinet is a good one if you want some folders and you want to put a pile of resources up. List and start page I've never actually used, so I don't know what they are, sorry. I'll just give you a quick example. Let's do that as an announcements page, just so you see what it looks like. So you'll see now it's like a blog, so you can click a new post and it'll do a new post for you. So that's a different style of page, an alternative for Blogger, but Blogger is also great as well. So it just gives you the ability to choose between two different types of things. The other type of page I want to show you that's really useful, and it's on our STEM at Linwood College here, is the files page. So if we go to the readings here, you'll notice there's a whole lot of files here, and you can put them in folders and organise them and add them directly from your drive and things like that. And you can also put text in here as well, so it's not just a files page, you can put other information in as well. Now a little thing with the files page that's good to know, if you go here and if you go to page settings, so you have different settings here depending on what type of page it is. I often don't want to show links to subpages. You can also allow comments, so people can comment on a page, and with different styles of page you can also allow attachments. Now one that, I'm just going to get rid of the collapsed folders by default just so I can show you the difference. Now this I think is really important for making your site pretty. So now you'll see these folders are all opened by default. Okay, so if you've got folders with lots of things in them, you end up having to scroll down heaps to see things. But if you go to those page settings and you make sure that it's ticked and save, it just keeps it a bit nicer. So it's just now you'll see those folders are closed, and if you've got things nicely organized, it just means it's more compact and looks a bit tidier. We'll just go back to this page here, and I'll just show you the settings with a standard page. So if we go to page settings, so here you'll see, as I said before, most of them have an allow attachments, which means that anybody can, or anybody you've shared your site with, can pop an attachment on there or a comment, and you can just tick those or untick them as you like. So let's quickly talk about sharing, and then I'll all be done. So if we go to manage our site, and if we go to sharings and permissions, by default your site will be shared with everybody in Linwood College and you will be the owner. You can change that. You can change it to any of these ones. You can share with specific people as well, and you can also give people just viewing rights or editing rights. So you'll see here anyone with Linwood College. So you've got two sort of aspects to it. You've got the who you're sharing with, which is up here, and you've got the rights that those people have here. So I can change anyone to Linwood College. I don't want them to edit it, but I do want them to be able to view it. So I could change that there and save that as well.